Hi, just imagine you have a garden and you're maintaining for some time. After that, you stop maintaining. That is, you don't water, you don't take care of the garden. What will happen to it? Slowly, the plants will die and the weeds will grow from there. Am I right? Does this message has anything to do with my life? Yes. Hi, today's topic is on the power of consistency. It is again a continuation on the last video. Why 2% people are successful and 98% people are not successful. So last time we spoke about persistence and today we are going to speak about consistency. We all heard that practice makes perfect. And not only that, but remaining consistent is essential. When we work towards anything we want to achieve in life, it doesn't come without consistency. Success is a sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Consistency is the key to success. I repeat, consistency is the key to success. Imagine you're cycling. The first pedal, it takes a lot of effort. But slowly, you gain momentum and becomes easy. Similarly, anything when you start, let it be a business or anything in life, anything you start, you want to wake up early in the morning, you want to go to a gym the first day, okay, or you are doing anything for the first time, it is painful, it hurts. But if we keep on practicing it on a regular basis, on a daily basis, what happens? It becomes a habit and it becomes easy. There are many businesses which have collapsed today because they are not consistent. So why do we struggle with consistency? The first one is lack of patience. So we are not patient, we don't have patience. As I said, if you want to maintain a garden, let us imagine you sow some seeds. It takes time for the seed to grow. You need to keep watering, maintaining it, and it takes a lot of time for the seeds to grow, for the fruits to come in the particular plant. Similarly, for any business to grow, it takes time. It takes time, but we don't have patience, and that is one of the reasons many businesses fail. The second one is desire for instant result. Immediately I want it, which we know it's not possible. Like, I start a business, immediately I want to see progress, immediately I want to see success, and that's the reason many people quit. In fact, I always keep saying this, no? People don't fail in business, they quit the business, they give up. Like, you sow a mango seed, it takes time. There's a time for the tree to grow and to get the fruit. Similarly, a business also has a time. It takes a time to get established, to be recognized by people, to be known by the people, to know who you are, what's your service. And in meanwhile, you learn a lot. But we want instant results. That's the reason many businesses fail, or many people quit the business. Third one, lack of clarity and focus. One of the key to success is focus. You need to have a focus, like a laser beam. You need to have a focus. In fact, I've seen many people, they try to manage so many businesses with one shot, and what happens? They fail. You need to have clarity and focus to be successful in business. The next one, lack of vision and purpose. When you start a business, you need to foresee what you will become or what your business will become after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years, after 20 years, where you want to see yourself. And I always ask people, no, what is the purpose of this business? If your purpose is only making money, I always keep saying, you're going to fail. What is the purpose? Just write down your purpose of being into a business and why do you want to start a business without money as a priority. Automatically, money will come. Because as I keep saying, money is a byproduct of your service or your product. So what is that purpose of you doing this business? So when you're not clear about it, you're going to fail. The last one, lazy mindset. As human beings, everybody tends to become lazy. We want rest, we want to relax. Like, I remember when I started to get up 4:15 every day. Initially, it was very, very hard. Very, very hard. Because I was thinking like, that 4:15 to that 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, that time, where you get the beautiful sleep. And disturbing that was difficult for me initially. But slowly, when I started to make it as a habit, I could see a lot of change in me. I had a lot of time. And same way, every day, 5:30 I hit the gym. I'm in the gym at 5:30 for 2 hours, 5:30 to 7:30 I'm there in the gym. And it has become a habit now. But I've seen many people who start somewhere with a lot of josh, with a lot of fire in them, but slowly they go down. They stop. Why? A lazy mindset. It's very difficult. I do agree. It's very difficult to be consistent, to do on a daily basis. But what I say is, what's your purpose? I always ask this question. If you can keep doing what you're doing, where you will be after some years, after 5 years, after 10 years, when you understand what is that, you will never be lazy. That keeps pushing me also. So consistency is the key to success. Yes, this is where we say we are trained, our brain gets trained or once we practice. And why I'm trying to share this? There are some people who have taken my sessions and after some time they called me and said, sir, initially I could see a lot of change. Initially I could see a lot of energy in me. Slowly I see that I'm not there. I'm seeing that even my business I could see a lot of lag. The first question I asked them, are you listening to the tracks which I given to you? It's just a 15 minutes track. And you do not do any special exercise. You need to just listen. And you can listen even while you're sleeping. What is the response I get? So initially I was doing it maybe for 3 months or 6 months or even for 1 year I was doing it. After that I didn't have time. If you cannot spend 15 minutes to train your mind, I can't help you out. So consistency is the key to success. Whatever you're doing, be consistent enough and you will definitely see success. It's very easy. Very, very easy. And as I keep saying, if you're struggling in any area of your life and you found that you tried many things and nothing is working for you, I can bet I transformed thousands and thousands of people's lives all over the world. And this complete program online. And if you want to make a difference in your life, please do call me and I'll be there to help you out. Please share this video to as many people as you can so that many lives will be touched through this video. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.